This is the second hot take leading into my favorite topic, the technical founder trap. And the trap is that you fall deeply in love with your own stuff. And it's super common. Your technology is your baby, you're proud of it, you want to talk about it, you love what it can do, it does a million things, you're excited about the impact, you have amazing conversations and demos because you're so excited about it, and you can show everything and it's just wonderful, but it's not leading to wins. Why is it happening? Because you're getting connected with people, typically innovators or early adopters in the marketing adoption curve, that are also excited about new technology. And these are deeply gratifying conversations for both of you because your interest is mirrored. Just like my hammer conversation, I went out for lunch and talked about hammers. It's your safe place. You could talk all day long about your product, but interest is not commitment. Oops, bad salesperson. Okay, because it's features. That's what you're getting stuck on. Maybe some problem discussion, but mostly features. And then another really important thing is the champion might not be empowered to act, that person that you're talking to, or maybe they don't want to act. Maybe they're just bored. So you have to get more comfortable at moving the conversations to something around outcomes and business impact. And you have to get comfortable with the process and pushing the process part of the conversation. So let's connect on value. I'll talk about value just very quickly. So first, just from that last slide, 2,000% ROI sounds amazing. But a side note on ROI, it doesn't work. Actually focusing on ROI decreases your success. This is a Gong statistic from Gong. Sellers that focus on ROI have lower win rates than those that don't. And the reason is because ROI is disconnected from what really matters, the impact of success. What does the person that you're trying to sell to really want to get done? ROI might not even be part of it. You have to understand what the true impact of success is, what they want to see, and ROI is often not it. I can't think of the last time I did an ROI exercise. Okay, types of value. There are actually 3 types of value that you need to be aware of. One is business value. So that's the impact of success. So if this goes well, we put our product in and it does what it's supposed to do, how will it positively affect the key metrics that you're concerned about? That's a business value. Personal value is maybe you're talking to someone who's spending 20 manual hours a week on this thing and just wants to get home and play with their dog. That's personal value. And then there's professional value, and that's the insights that you can bring to the company that can actually help these people expand their thinking and their approaches. All are valuable, all are important when you're having the value conversation, valuable, no pun intended. And the other important thing is value is different for every single contact, especially the personal value.